show you how to use GPTease to write a dick rating script. So let's get into it. So when you first get into GPTease, you're going to be brought inside this dashboard to our chat interface. At the bottom, you'll see this chat box where you can write your own prompts. Just above it, you'll see this personalization area where you can set up your personalization. Above that, you're going to see some suggested prompts to get you started if you don't know how to prompt. And if you want even more help or different prompts to choose from, you can go to this little icon to go through our prompt library. On the left, you're going to see your chat history. And then at the bottom, you'll see your profile where you can click, edit, make changes, etc. Since we're going to do a dick rating script, I do want to point out there is a certain kind of dick rating script right here in the prompt library. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to create the prompt myself. Okay, so the prompt that I chose to write was write me a dick rating script for a fan who I would rate a 7. Please go into detail about his being girthy and long and all the things I had imagined doing to it. Now you're going to click on this little icon to send it or hit enter. Now what's going to happen is you're going to get two responses. You're going to get the response on the left, response 1, and the response on the right, response 2. Response 1 on the left is very instructional. It's going to be GPTease's way of giving you exactly what you asked for. Whereas on the right, response 2 is going to be a little bit more creative and it's going to think outside the box a little bit. Now I'm going to read through the responses that I got and then I'm going to choose one to continue. You must select a response to continue, otherwise you can't write anything or prompt again in the same chat. You'll notice that this won't allow you to until you've selected a response. Okay, so I've just reviewed them and I prefer the response on the left, so I'm going to select that one. Once you've selected it, you'll see that it fills the screen with the response you've chosen and your original prompt at the top. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the response, you'll see a couple icons. You have this one to copy it. This way you can use it and film the content. You'll see this one, which means you can share your chat, either the entire chat, the prompt and the response, or just the response alone. And all you would do is select which one you prefer, create the link, and then you could copy it and share with some of your creator friends, for example. Then you have this 1/2 icon. And what this is a way to go back and see the prompt that you didn't choose. So if you wanted to go back and review it and maybe take some bits and pieces from that response, you could do so. And you can always return to it by using that icon on the bottom left. So that's it. That's how you create a dick rating script here in GPTease. Now remember, if you need a different kind of dick rating script, you can always go over into our prompt library and choose one of these prompts instead. I hope this is helpful, and I really, really hope you enjoy GPTease. I'll see you in the next video.